Self-care is a popular topic. There's many myths and distortions around it that aren't doing anyone any good. So let's talk. The first of many misunderstandings is the fact that you need to overly indulge in order to take care of yourself. In fact, these two things do not work together well. You don't have to binge watch something all day or eat an entire tub of ice cream to take care of yourself. It has the opposite effect if you're self-indulging. So don't confuse those two things. Another myth has to do with your time allocations. You don't have to chisel out a lot of time for self-care. And the idea of taking hours out of your busy day can be very stressful and have the opposite effect of self-care. You're going to want to feel recharged when you take care of yourself, not additionally stressed because you took too much time out of your day to focus on yourself. And that leads me to the third myth, which has to do with focusing on yourself. Your self-care can involve others too. If you have a lot of people in your life that you love and you want to spend time with, spending time with them can be self-care. We're a tribal species and we thrive in community with others. So don't try and isolate yourself in order to indulge in self-care. If you'd like to learn more about what self-care actually is, be sure to click on the next video.